Hey guys, it's Tucker here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to multi-stream to YouTube, Twitch, Kick, TikTok even, or whatever platform you want to. You'll be able to do it here today for free, and you won't have to use Restream, because the problem with Restream is you have to pay for it if you want to multi-stream to more than 2 platforms. So I'll save you guys some money, so that way you don't have to spend it on Restream. So if you guys enjoyed today's video and find it helpful, make sure to smash the like button. So let's just jump right into it. So the first thing I need to do is have OBS Studio on your computer, and you do need to make sure that's up to date, so that way the plugin just works with it. So for example here, if you want to make sure it's up to date, all we have to do is go to the help icon, go from here, scroll down, it says check for updates, and then of course you get a pop-up like I do here. It says OBS update for 31.0.3. click update and make sure it's up to date with it, and of course reset it. If you don't see that icon say no new available updates, then we can get right into installing the plugin. So the first thing I need to do is download the multi-stream plugin. Now I will have a link to it down below. Once you're on this page here, what you're going to need to do is go to the right side to this button that says go to downloads. Once you click on this, you're going to open up a page. What we're going to look for is the OBS multi-stream RTMP plugin for 0.7.2. This is the latest version. So what we're going to do is scroll down until you see assets. Now what we're looking for Windows is the Windows 64 installer, and then if you're on Mac, you want to look up the Mac OS Universal package. What you need to do is click on the Windows installation file. Of course, you're going to download this, go into your file explorer, go to your downloads in itself, and then you should see it right here. Of course, I've downloaded multiple versions, and you're going to click on this, run with more info, and then run it anyways, and then it's just going to install into OBS. Now the funny thing about this actual plugin is that this is a newer version of the update, and originally when it came out with a zip file that was very convoluted to install, so I made a video on how to do it. Of course, when I posted that video 4 hours earlier, I checked the actual plugin and they actually added the installation file back, which was what originally was there. And of course, the funny thing about this whole process is that I actually talked to the developer of this plugin and told him like, hey, you need to add the installation file back. And I didn't think he was going to add it back, so that's why I updated my video. And of course, you know, they added it back. Lovely. Yeah, I wasted a lot of time on how to update the video, and I necessarily didn't need to, but hey, you guys know how to install it now. Now, once you open up OBS Studio, what you want to do is go to the top left under Docs, and you're going to scroll down until you see the multi-output. Once you click on this, you will get access to the multi-output for the plugin, which is nice. And if you want to actually start multi-streaming with it, you need to add a target. So if we want to click on this here, we'll get this little output thing. You can name it whatever you want. So for the timing, I want to name this YouTube because I want to multi-stream to YouTube when I use my normal Twitch settings to stream to Twitch. So what we need now is the URL and stream key. So for YouTube, you're just going to go to your YouTube homepage, click on the create icon and go to go live. But once it finishes loading, all you have to do is copy the actual stream key, go back to OBS Studio, you can paste it in here, and then same thing, go back to YouTube, grab the actual URL here, and you can paste this on into the URL area. And with that, we can now multi-stream to YouTube. And you can do the exact same thing with process with TikTok, but unfortunately, I don't have a TikTok stream key or URL. If you do have one, same process, add a new target, call it TikTok, and then you just paste your stream key and URL in here. Now, if you want to add Kick, what you want to do is add a new target and do the same process, just name it the platform you want. For me, I'm going to name this Kick. We need to get a stream key and URL. So once you're on the Kick homepage, what you want to do is go to the top right to your profile icon. You want to click on it to go into your settings. Once you're in your settings, what you want to do is go to stream key and URL. Now, once you're in here, you will need to actually get access to seeing what your stream key URL is. You can't just copy and paste it. So you'll need to get your security code. So for me, I'm going to type this down in real quick. Once you enter your security code in, you will get access to your stream key and URL. What you want to do is copy the actual stream key. You can either just select all and copy it, or you click this icon here. So we're going to click this icon to get our URL. We're going to go into OBS, paste our URL in here. And then for the stream key, same process. You want to click this little icon here, go back into OBS Studio, and then paste the stream key in here. With that, you can now stream the Kick, and you can just press OK. Then you want to stream the Twitch. All you have to do is same process, add a new target, call it Twitch. Now for the actual URL for Twitch, you do have to go to this website here, which I will have a link to it down below. And what you want to do is find the closest server to you. So for me, I'm in Virginia, so I'm in Ashburn server would be the best one for me. So I'm gonna take this URL here, I'm gonna select all, and then I'm gonna copy it. Then I'm gonna paste that actual URL in here. Now to get your stream key on Twitch, what you want to do is go to the top right to your profile icon. You want to click on it, go to creator dashboard. Then from the creator dashboard, you want to click on the settings icon, go to actual stream, then take the primary stream key, you want to copy it, then you want to paste your stream key on in here. With that, now you can do multi-stream to Twitch, YouTube, Kick, or even TikTok. Now, if you want to go live, all you have to do is start streaming. So you use your normal OBS stream settings to go live to whatever platform you want. Me, primarily, I would set to Twitch. So I'm going to go start streaming to Twitch with this. And then let's say, for example, here now I want to multi-stream to Kick. I just click start streaming with Kick by clicking the start button. So you can see we're now live on Kick, and if we go to actually Twitch as well, we're live on Twitch too. But that is how you multi-stream to any platform you want to in 2025 with the new updated plugin. But hopefully you guys found this video helpful here today. If you did, make sure to smash the like button and get subscribed to miss the future tech content. Because later here we got another PC build planned, and we're trying to hit 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you want to do your boy a favor and hit that subscribe button, it'd be very much appreciated. I'll see you in one. Tech Rant out.